This is a keyboard, and I hate it. Not only because this is so expensive, it's also fake. So, on the first look, at the first glance, you might think this is a pretty advanced keyboard. I mean, designed like this looks pretty mechanically to me. And yeah, got these cool ass lines, logo things and shit, and plastic, made of plastics. I don't know if this is a compliment or not, but what's actually inside is this. Not mechanical at all. I have to spend 100 above RMB on this piece of shit. Absolutely can't believe it. This is fake as fuck, and I am stupid as fuck. So yeah, be caution. When you next time buy some mechanical keyboards, make sure that the descriptions are fully labeled, what kind of switches and yeah, how expensive are mechanical keyboards. Typically above 100 UMB. I mean RMB. Yeah. This logo, man. Jesus Christ, this. What is this shit? And all the designs, if you, in the first glance, it's pretty cool, but after using it, it's pretty dog shit. And also, no backlight whatsoever, and it comes with a smell, a plasticky smell, that is very gross in my opinion. Yeah, absolutely, just cheap ass plastic. It's just, oh my god, I don't want to say anything. It's just purely dog shit, 100%.